Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute sun. So let's get started. I will draw a cute sun with some very beautiful shapes. First of all, I will draw the main body of the sun. And for that, I will draw a circle just like this, curving all the way, moving to the top, making the circle a bit more prominent. Here we go. Now I will be drawing the cute rays coming out of our cute sun. For that, I will be drawing triangular shapes just like this. These will be triangles of different sizes. Now I will be drawing its cute little face. First of all, I will make its cute eyes. Again, drawing two circles for the eyeball. Just like this. Another one. Try to make it of the same size. Now, inside the circle, I will draw two smaller circles, just like this. Again, repeating it for the second eyeball. And now, filling the empty space. Now I will add a cute little smile with a curved line or a letter U, just like this. Now I'll make the rays a bit more prominent and I will fast forward the step. Let's color our cute sun. For the inner body, I will be using light orange color. And for the rays, light yellow. Our cute sun is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.